Hello guys, it is about 12 o'clock at night on October 30th. Yeah, it's the day before Halloween. I wanted to play a game. I just thought of it. Why? I have no idea. But I was just thinking about. Oh wow, that's nice. I was thinking about animals and the sounds that they make. So I decided to make a new game. I decided to call the game. Mixed breeded animals. Is that a good name? Oh yeah, I like it. Well, for my first animal, I decided to mix together a cat and a dog. Let's see how this is going to work out. Meow woof. Hold on, let me try that again. Meow woof. Meow woof. Again. For my second animals, I decided to mix together a kangaroo and a cow. What noise does a kangaroo make? If any of you know what noise a kangaroo makes, then you tell me. But for now, I'm just going to say it goes boing. So it would sound a little bit like boing moo, boing moo. Now for my third set, I would like to do a bird and a lion. Yes, a bird and a lion. Or a lion and a bird. How would I do that? Raw tweet? No. Tweet 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 rah. Tweet rah. 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 Oh, I can't. Rah. A tweet tweet. Tweet tweet. Tweet tweet. Rah. Rah. Tweet tweet. Can't do that. That's hard. And now, as a new one, I think I'm going to mix. Oh, I got it. Amazing Phil and me. Ho ho ho. This ought to be very, very interesting. Hi, I'm Phil and I like lions. Really? You do? I like lions too. Well, that's cool. Maybe what we should do is we should have a big, humongous tea party and have our lions and a whole bunch of other stuffed animals. That actually sounds like a very good idea. Let's do this. So, guys, are you liking your tea party so far? I'm not liking it. Because Mr. Monkey, his balls keep getting in my face. No, they're not. What are you talking about? Yes, they are. Well, maybe you're just jealous because your nappy-ass hair is poking everybody in the eye. Ow! I don't think that went as well as planned. They're all quite mean. Well, I guess that's all for today. I guess just leave me some comments and send me video responses saying what animals you would mix together, and in your video responses show me what type of sounds they would make. And I guess the best thing for you to do is just make the wackiest sounds that you possibly can. So subscribe later, people. Wow, that was lame.